The COVID-19 outbreak, caused by SARS-CoV-2, became a pandemic in 2020. Although it originated in Wuhan, China, in 2019, globally, it infected more than 60 million people and caused millions of deaths. COVID-19 patients occupied most hospitals across countries. The global vendors are constantly working on the COVID-19 vaccine development. The vaccines are produced based on various new platforms such as mRNA-based, adenovirus-based, and DNA-based. Vaccine development has been accelerated with new strategies such as combining the Phase 1 and 2 clinical trials, getting faster approvals from regulatory bodies to make them more easily accessible. There are more than 200 COVID-19 vaccine projects in development globally. Among these, 29 are under clinical trials. The global biotechnology and pharmaceutical industries are intensely competitive and are characterized by rapid and significant technological progress in COVID-19 vaccine development. COVAX, a major initiative by WHO, was launched in April 2020 to provide access to COVID-19 tools. The main focus of this initiative was to work with vaccine manufacturers to provide vaccines at lower costs. COVAX was created to maximize the chances of developing COVID-19 vaccines successfully and manufacture them in the quantities needed to end this crisis. COVAX plans to supply 2 billion doses of COVID-19 vaccines by the end of 2021. They focus on providing dosage for at least 20% of the country's population to end the acute phase of the pandemic. COVAX has delivered more than 20 million doses in its first week of distribution. Vendors in the COVID-19 vaccine race are using advanced technologies to manufacture affordable vaccines with maximum efficiency, which can be preserved with a shelf life for a longer duration. The next-generation vaccine platforms are game changers that are helping vaccine developers stop or curb the speed of COVID-19. One of the major advantages of next-generation vaccines is that they can be developed based on sequence information alone. After all the clinical trials and years of testing, the ideal vaccine platform for COVID-19 and other diseases can be mRNA-based or DNA-based. The identification of the ideal vaccine platform will be a major public health achievement in terms of finding innovative vaccine platforms. Post-licensing of the next-generation vaccination platforms, the use for other pathogens or disease indications is likely to become easier. Since these platforms only require sequence information to initiate vaccine development, they will help manufacturers increase the flexibility to adapt to vaccines and create antigenic changes in the available pathogenic viruses and new strains of viruses in the future. For more market intelligence insights, visit Arizton.com.